Órlaith McAuliffe. I'm a flute and tin whistle player from London, and I'm currently studying medicine by day and playing music and doing gigs and things by night. I started playing the tin whistle when I was 7 and the flute about the age of 9, so I've been playing about 16 years now, so that makes me feel old.
First place in the All-Ireland champion under 12 goes to a girl from East London in Britain, Órlaith McAuliffe.
My mum started me off on the tin whistle. She used to have loads of Irish music CDs on the kitchen all the time, so I started picking up the tunes by ear myself at home. And then I joined my first local Ceoltoir class, and I started to go to all the sessions then around London. I've always loved playing with other people in sessions. I love the kind of social vibe. You make loads of friends, meet musicians old and young, and you all come together. Now that I've started studying, it's also a great downtime for me, so I'll be busy during the day doing something completely different, and then I can come home, and music is a great outlet, playing tunes and sharing tunes with other people. There's a heap of music in London. There's great music up north, which is where I live. There's a tune every night of the week if you want to find it in London, and I love it.
He loves it!
Ceoltoir Óg na Bliana, Órlaith McAuliffe.